Within the forward.
Yes. So today we will learn advanced vocabulary, how to say yes in advanced level. Okay, in a different way. Okay. So shall we start our session? So
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Sure,
Okay.
ma'am.
So let me show my slide so that you can make your notes. Yes. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So today's topic, don't say yes every time, as I told you. Okay. You can use a better version of yes. From today onwards, we will use, you can use this today vocabulary in your daily conversation, in your with your colleague, with your friend circle also, and also at your professional circle. So we have 8 words, amazing, awesome 8 words we have, and the words. So if first I'm asking as a casual, if someone asking you, hey, could you please do me a favor? Can you just hand over these markers to Sneha ma'am? Yes.
Sure.
Yes. One by one. Kashish, tell me, dear. If I say, hey, yes, could you please do me a favor? Can you just hand over these markers to Sneha ma'am? What would be your answer, dear?
Sure. Sure, ma'am. Of course.
Sure.
Of
Sure.
course.
Sure. Of course.
Sure.
Okay. So, yes, ma'am. That is a yes, but better version of the answer reply is consider it done, ma'am. Consider it done, ma'am. This is a formal reply. Formal. Consider it done, ma'am. If anyone says, if someone is asking, that's okay. So then you can say, मतलब इसका what does it mean? What does it mean? समझो कि ये काम हो गया मैम, मतलब ये हो गया, मतलब जैसे आपने कहा नहीं कि ये हो गया.
Oh.
Consider it done, ma'am. Jugal, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Sashi Shekhar, Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Consider,
Better
consider
version
it.
of this? Yes. And body
Consider
language.
it.
What would be the body language? Smile.
Smile and care.
Cheerful.
Yes.
तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसा होना चाहिए? ऐसा नहीं कि आपका फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन जस्ट उसके अपोजिट हो. आप जिस समय आप ये वर्ड आप यूज कर रहे हो ना, दैट टाइम योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन विल बी स्माइल एंड चेयरफुल. शुड बी. ओके. कंसिडर इट डन, मैन. ओके.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So, anyone can make the sentence related to this formal situation? Yes. Because we all are professional, na? So, please make the sentence. Viru, Harjain. Viru. Anyone? Ethel Ronnie, Anupam Parthi. Moto.
Maybe.
Can you switch on the camera? Moto and Anupam Parthi. Yes.
Maybe, ma'am.
Yes. Continue, dear.
Could you please make a flyer for my background if
Huh?
I ask someone?
Yes. You can. Yes.
That time he can answer me.
Consider it done, ma'am.
Yes.
Consider it done, ma'am. Okay. So, that is a way of reply. Okay. Now, any other? Shahil, Jugal, Ethelrani. Please create your own sentences, dear. Yes. Anything. If you have a creativity.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
yes, my daughter asked me, can you make for me some payasam?
Can you
Answer my payasam. Payasam.
fight? I'm not getting your
No,
point.
that payasam. In Tamil, that is a payasam like that. No. Sweet. It's
Acha,
okay. Can
sweets.
we take it? Some
Acha,
sweets?
can you buy
Okay.
some sweets? Acha.
Yeah.
Okay. So much.
Yeah.
That time, what
Better consider.
consider it
Good.
done, dear.
Yeah.
Consider it done. Okay. You can use there. You can also use. Okay. Yes. And your body language would be smile and cheerful, and it convey
Smile
that
and
you
cheer.
like to help. अरे क्या ये it and what is the convey of this word? जो ये word आप बोल रहे हो, consider it done, मैम. ओके, तो उसका क्या है, इसका पर्पस, मतलब इट मीन्स यू ग्लैड टू हेल्प, यानी आप उनकी हेल्प करने के लिए बहुत ही उत्सुक हैं, आपको अच्छा लग रहा. ओके, इट कन्वेज यू ग्लैड टू हेल्प. ओके, यस. नाउ सेकंड, if okay, if someone asks you, hey, can we just meet casually on Sunday on Zoom Recreation Club and perform our talents? So what would be your answer? Casual conversation है ये, मतलब आपके कलीग्स में भी हो सकता है, आपके पार्टनर में भी हो सकता है, फ्रेंड सर्किल में भी हो सकता है. Then what would be your reply?
Sure, we can meet.
Yes.
Sure, we can meet.
Now I'm not going to read this sentences. Yes, who will read this sentence? Sahil, because everyone don't sit silent here. So please read this sentence fast.
Hey, can you just meet casually on Sunday on Zoom, Recreation Club, and perform our talents?
Sahil, read, but don't take a please take a pause while reading.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, can we just meet casually on Sunday on
Mhm.
Zoom, Recreation Club, and perform our talents?
So anyone can understand whatever he is try to speak. So, hey, your words will be, hey, can we just meet casually on Sunday on Zoom Recreation Club and perform our talent? Sasi Shekhar, what would be your answer? Sony,
Yeah, sure. Why not?
yes,
Definitely.
definitely. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So better version of this
Sounds
good.
sounds
Sound
good.
good. Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's go. It is a casual conversation. It is not a formal. Be careful. Okay. Sounds good. Let's go. ये आप कैजुअली किसके साथ आप यूज कर सकते हैं, जो ऑल द टाइम हम लोग फ्रेंड सर्किल में बात करते हैं ना, वी विल टॉक विथ फ्रेंड सर्किल, आवर कलीग्स, आवर, so you can see. Sounds good. Let's go. Okay. If I say, hey, let's Shahi, let's order some pizza and dosa, what would be your answer?
Sound
What, ma'am?
good. Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's order. Let's take a order.
Sound good.
Na?
Let's order.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's order.
Let's go, dear. Let's order nahi. Let's go.
Sure. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. ये आप कब यूज करेंगे? When will you use these words? Casual.
Friend circle में
है ना? हाँ, generally you have to use these words casually. Okay. Sounds good. Let's go. अपने friend circle.
Yes.
Okay.
With family.
Family.
Uncle படிக்கல.
Yes. Okay. If I say, Kashish, let's practice English daily for 20 minutes. Hey, Punendu, let's practice English speaking daily for the 20 minutes. What would be your answer?
It's joyful. Let's go.
It's
It should be
joyful.
joyful.
Let's go. Okay. You can also use sounds good. Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's go. That is a better version of the only yes. Okay.
Yes,
Good.
good.
Next. And your body language? What would be your
Happy
body
face.
language? Happy
Happy face.
face all the time.
Happy
Always
face.
your face will be happy. And it conveys you are excited to
Excited.
join. You are excited to join. Okay. ये क्या कन्वे करता है? You are excited to join. You are very happy to do this. Whatever your friend's proposal, whatever your colleague proposals. Okay. You are excited to join and complete this task. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Okay. So, Sasi Shekhar, could you make one sentence regarding this casual conversation? Anything जो आपके फ्रेंड सर्किल या आपके कलीग्स आपको ऑफर कर रहे हैं और आपको लगता है यू फील कि दिस रिप्लाई दैट इज अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ द रिप्लाई.
Can we plan for the visit in near or city center for short watch the movie for someone?
Make a short sentence, dear. It's okay, but try to make a short sentences first time. Okay.
Yes.
Then what would be your reply?
Yeah. Replies that sound good. Let's go.
Sounds good. Let's go. Pronunciation is a matter here. Okay. Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's go.
Face, body language, happy face. मतलब आपके face से लग जाए कि नहीं, आप you are so excited to do this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka, are you getting my point? Okay, unmute here. Everyone please unmute, because you can also interact. Priyanka, could you make one sentence here?
For what did someone ask you?
If someone, any offer, any suggestion, if your friend circle will give, if your colleague will give, Jugal, try to make a sentence. Sahil, Viru.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, can we go for a movie today?
Oh, yes. Sound Jugal.
Sounds
Sounds
good.
good. No.
Sound good. Let's go.
Sounds reply. Let me reply, Jugal. मुझे reply करना
Okay.
था, मुझसे
I
पूछो.
thought कि मुझे बोलना है. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Again. Please ask me.
Hey, can we go to movie today?
Yeah, sounds good. Let's go. Facial expression क्या था? अब मैं ये बोलती. अब मैं ये बोल. Sounds good. Let's go. What would be? कैसा
It
लगा
means you
मेरा?
are not excited.
I think.
Yes. तो better version के साथ साथ you have to apply your body language
Face
and
it.
face it. Okay. Your gesture is a very, very important. Okay, with the words. Okay. So now next. Sorry. Let's move to the another situation here. Okay. Now, if someone asks, yes. Yes. Now, Kassis, read this word here.
Hello, everyone. How about my proposal?
Okay, I'm
Can
getting
we really go ahead this?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Again, please.
Hello, everyone.
Hmm?
How about my proposal? Can we really go ahead this?
Now give a reply. Sorry. What would be your answer? Anyone? Sahil, Soni, what would be your answer?
Great. It's great. Let's go with it.
It's great. Okay. It's great. Okay. Other?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes?
We should move on.
We should move on.
Move
Okay.
on.
Okay. Yes. See. Yes, go ahead. Okay. That is a normal reply.
Oh.
That is a normal reply. But your better version of this, I am aligned with this.
Align with this.
I am aligned with this. That is a more formal, dear. That is a formal. Okay. हम इसे वर्क प्लेस पे यूज कर सकते हैं प्रोफेशनली वी यूज दिस वर्ड्स एंड इट शोज ना इंटेलेक्चुअल एग्रीमेंट not emotional I am aligned with this. Okay, it is a professional words, formal words. Nodding your head, body language कैसा होगा? आपके हेड को मूव करते हुए नोडिंग हेड एंड इट कन्वेज यू आर विथ देम, विथ हिम, विथ हर. Okay, are you getting my point, everyone? Sashi, Kundan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sahil, Jugal, Ethel, Roni,
Yes, ma'am.
Viru, Madhumita. Okay, dear. So what would be your body language? Nodding head. Okay, I'm aligned with this. If someone asks, hello everyone, how about my proposal? Can we really go ahead with this? कोई पूछता है ना आपके वर्किंग प्लेस पे कि कैन यू डू दिस, कैन यू गो विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट, तो व्हाट वुड बी योर बेटर आंसर?
I am aligned with this.
Yes, I am aligned with you. I'm aligned with this project. Or nodding your head. Okay. So that's why I'm saying now it shows intellectual agreement. Yeah, आपके 100% की, yes, 100%. It conveys what? It conveys you are with him, with her. Okay. I'm also use these words now. Be professionally. I'm aligned with you. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Next. Fourth one here. Any doubt on this till now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Can we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fourth one. Yes. Viru, please read this sentence.
Shahrukh is the best actor right now.
What?
Yes, he is.
Sentence? No. I'm asking which type of sentence. It is a casual or formal? First tell me.
It's
Casual.
Casual.
Huh?
Casual.
Casually. If someone is asking, someone is saying, Shahrukh is the best actor right now. Isn't
It's
it?
correct.
What would be your answer? Casually.
Agreed.
Yes.
Agreed.
Agreed. And other?
Correct.
Sir, yes, I know.
I know.
Simply जो हम बोलते हैं, whatever we
Yes.
use, ना? Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Better version. That makes sense. That makes sense. Casually, you can also use these words. That makes sense.
That makes sense.
Okay. And what would be your body language? You show you are in.
You are in.
आप क्या शो कर रहे हो कि आप उनके इस बात से पूरी तरीके से सहमत हो, उनके साथ हो. Okay. You believe the same. It convey you believe the same. That is a casual conversation. Okay.
मैम इसमें बॉडी लैंग्वेज का क्या रोल है? यू शो यू आर इन, मतलब बॉडी लैंग्वेज में क्या करेंगे इसमें?
Body you show you are in. It means body language आपका ये जो शो कर रहा है ना, मतलब whatever that makes sense. आपका जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज होगा थोड़ा सा बेंड होगा, मतलब ये शो करेगा कि आप उनसे सहमत हो. जब आप किसी से सहमत होते हो तो आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसा होता है?
Down.
How is your body language? वो शो करता है ना, आप आई कांटेक्ट करते हो, फेशियल
हाँ
आपका, हाँ ओके, जेस्चर हुआ, चाहे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से पता चलता है कि नहीं सामने वाला बंदा इज अ एग्री विथ थिंग टोटली। ओके सो
तो मैम जहाँ पे भी एग्री करेंगे तो वहाँ पे यही वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं हम लोग, जहाँ पे कुछ
हाँ
एग्री
यस,
करना है, कैजुअली एग्री करना है।
हाँ दैट मेक्स
Yes.
सेंस। ओके बट कैजुअली,
हाँ
कैजुअली
ओनली कैजुअल।
है ना, कैजुअली। ओके यू कांट यूज दिस वर्ड्स फॉर्मल वे में। ओके कैजुअल। अच्छा, if I think चलो I'm giving one situation. If your kids are asking, yeah, saying something, yes, dad, yeah, ma, are you agree with me? Anything, yeah, ma'am, it is. Please show this picture. This is a very good. This is a very fine. That is a very nice. So, what about you? Are you agree with me?
Hmm? No,
What do you think?
That makes sense.
आप अगर उससे सहमत हो तो आप क्या, what would be your reply बच्चे से?
That makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense, dear. Okay, are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Shashi?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो, if please make a one sentences मतलब related to your kids या your spouse. Tell me, that makes sense. Yes, Shashi, if your wife is saying, yes, Shashi, please let's go with the shopping.
Yes.
I
Uh,
know husband will never say that makes sense. Yes, sounds good. Never say.
but my reply is that
It's a
makes
compulsion. Yes,
but my reply is that makes sense.
that makes sense. Okay, yes, that is a compulsion ना, मजबूरी है. Okay, and body language, you show you are. अगर आपको facial expression होगा थोड़ा सा मतलब लगे शो करे कि नहीं you are not happy with doing मतलब doing all the things, so all
This
the time, whenever
is
you
important.
use advanced vocabulary, your facial expression, body language matter.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so you show you are in, you believe the same whatever she give you proposal. Okay,
Yes.
yes, next Priyanka, read this here.
Can I be sure you will switch off the AC before you leave the room?
Again read this here. If
Can I be
someone
sure
is asking, saying something, what can
someone asks you, can I be sure you will switch off the AC before you leave the room?
now it makes sense. Yes, so tell me, so what would be your answer? Yes, for sure.
Yes, for sure.
Hmm? Can I be sure you will switch off the AC before you leave the room? अगर कोई आपसे पूछ रहा है कि क्या मैं मतलब ये बिलीव करूं कि आप रूम लीव करने से पहले आपने एसी स्विच ऑफ किया है, ठीक है, सो आपका रिप्लाई क्या हो? यस फॉर श्योर. ओके, बेटर वर्जन, व्हाट वुड बी द बेटर वर्जन? यस यू कैन काउंट ऑन मी. यस यू कैन काउंट ऑन मी. What it so? What does it mean? Yes, you can count on me. It means you can trust me. I will not disappoint you. Okay? मतलब ये
मैम
क्या
और
है?
कौन सी जगह पे यूज कर सकते हैं यू कैन
Yes,
काउंट
yes,
ऑन मी?
yes.
और कौन सी जगह पे यूज कर सकते हैं यू कैन काउंट ऑन मी?
हाँ, I'm coming to this topic
ओके.
here, Jugal. Okay? Yes. So it means, what does it mean? First tell me. You can count on me. मतलब जहाँ पे that is a, हाँ, that मतलब I will not disappoint. जहाँ आपको 100% श्योरिटी देनी है, I will never disappoint you. Okay? Your tone should be very loyal and very responsible. Okay? You
Okay.
can use this words ना wherever commitment is required. जब आपको कहीं भी अपने commitment देना है कि it is 100% sure, that time you use these words. Okay?
You will achieve your target this month. You can
हाँ
count on me.
हाँ. If your boss is asking what, Jugal? Yes, Jugal. Tell me. Can I
Ma'am,
believe you achieve 100% target in this month? Then what would be your answer?
you can count on me.
Yes.
एंड अच्छा, आप ऐसे ही रीडिंग कर दिया आपने. व्हाट वुड बी योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन?
Yes, sir. You can count
Yes,
on me.
you can count on me.
थम्स अप. यस, यू कैन काउंट ऑन मी. थम्स अप के साथ आपके फेस से लगे कि आप पे बिलीव किया जा सकता है, आपके इस वर्ड पे. यू शो ना जॉब विल बी डन. दैट इज अ फॉर्मल सिचुएशन. ओके Kashish, are you getting my point? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
That is a formal situation. Okay, if you give 100% surety in front of your anyone, मतलब generally if your bosses are there, if your senior persons are there, then okay, that is a accountability here. Okay, आप सामने वाले को you never ever disappoint. ओके, यू शो रिलायबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी, यानी आपकी इसकी जवाबदेही होगी. अगर हमने आप पे कुछ वर्क छोड़ दिया तो 100% श्योर है कि यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्क बिफोर टाइम पीरियड. ओके
Yes.
जुगल,
Yes.
आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड.
Yes.
ओके
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, थैंक यू डियर. यस,
What do you think about Spider-Man?
no.
Some
Yes, Shahil Khan, Purnendu Das, read this one situation. Okay,
yes.
yes, if someone asks you, yes, we will. Sony, Jugal,
I will.
Someone asked you.
What do you okay, someone asks you, what do you think about Spider-Man Marvel series? Aren't they awesome?
aren't they awesome? If someone is asking, someone asks you, what do you think about Spider-Man Marvel series? Aren't they awesome?
Awesome.
So what would be your answer? Yes,
Yes, obviously.
absolutely. Your answer, okay. And what would be the better version? Unquestionably. Unquestionably. What does it mean?
Questionably.
Question.
No scope of question.
Yes.
No scope of question, ma'am.
So what does it without any doubt? Without any doubt here. Okay. And your tone should be strong and confidence.
Okay.
Okay, unquestionably. Okay, body language, body language, you show thumbs up. Okay, unquestionably. Okay, you accept the statement. यानी इसमें कोई शक ही नहीं है, कहते नहीं है, एक 100%. ओके, इसमें कोई शक ही नहीं है. With okay, this.
Ma'am, pronunciation na
Yes, Priyanka.
pronunciation unquestionably.
Unquestionably. Yes.
Unquestionably.
Tony, read these words. Better version.
Unquestionably.
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 Everyone pronounce this. Everyone.
Unquestionably. Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Nendu and Shahil also please pronounce this.
Unquestionably.
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 And your tone should be, आपका tone
Unquestionably.
कैसा होना चाहिए? What should be your tone?
Unquestionably.
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 Unquestionably. Unquestionably. Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Okay, that's
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
तो what
Unquestionably.
should be your tone? आपका टोन कैसा होना चाहिए? जैसे what does it mean? Unquestionably. What does it mean?
Unquestionably.
Without any doubt. मतलब बिना किसी शक संदेह के, मतलब ये 100% सही है, ठीक है, यानी यू एक्सेप्ट द स्टेटमेंट। तो जब आपको कहीं पर भी बोलना हो कि मतलब उसमें डाउट ही नहीं, किसी तरीके कोई इफ बट है ही नहीं, तो व्हाट वुड बी योर आंसर? अनक्वेश्चनेबली।
Unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
Questionably. Unquestionably.
So if I'm giving you one situation, if I say Kashish, is communication important for leadership? Kashish, is communication is important for leadership, isn't it?
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Unquestionably.
Yes, unquestionably.
Unquestionably.
But what would
Yes,
be your
unquestionably.
कशिश? बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ आप बोलो, ओके?
Okay.
वर्ड में
Unquestionably.
पावर तो जो है,
Thumbs
सो
up.
आई एम गिविंग यू
Thumbs up.
पावरफुल वर्ड्स, बट you need a powerful body language also, dear, while using these words. Okay? Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
unquestionably. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Do you believe discipline leads the success? Jugal, Sahil, Puneet, do you believe discipline leads the success? Discipline success को बढ़ाता है. Do you believe?
Yes.
Yes,
Unquestionably.
Yes, ma'am. Unquestionably.
Unquestionably, yes.
Unquestionably.
Okay? अभी
yes,
तक क्या था?
unquestionably.
हाँ, अभी तक हम लोग को के पास only one reply we have, yes, of course.
Yes.
Okay, like this. Now you have many more words, casually and formal way. Okay, but remember, with every better version, you need your body language, your facial expression. Okay?
Okay.
Also. Okay. Yes. Now, let's move next slide. Okay? Yes. Sony, read the sentence here.
May I use the washroom?
Yes, of course. Go. Now, so what would be your answer? Anyone? What would be the answer?
Yes, sure, you can.
Yes, you can. And other? Yes, please. हम लोग generally this type of words we use. Okay. Better version. Yeah.
Be my guest.
Be my guest. Yes, be my guest. Okay. That is a more polite here. जो ये word है ना, that is a more polite words. Okay. Very nice and very polite words. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Be my guest.
Yes, be my guest. In the body language, you show the way. You show the way up.
Yes.
And it convey you please
Be
to
my
him.
guest. Be my guest.
Yes.
Be my
Be
guest.
my guest. Okay. आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होगा? यू शो द वे. जिस साइड में वो होगा, यू शो दैट. ओके.
Washroom area, like.
Be my guest. Okay. You
Yes.
please to it conveys you please to help, यानी आपको ये हेल्प करने में बहुत ही खुशी भी हो रही है, या यू मतलब यू फील हैप्पी. ओके. चलो, आई एम गिविंग यू वन सिचुएशन. वीरू या शाहिल, प्लीज anyone can reply. If I say, can I use your pen? Shashi, can I use your pen? Jugal. So what would be your
Yes,
answer?
be my guest.
Yes,
Yes.
be my guest.
Be my guest.
Yes, be my guest. Okay.
Ma'am, in this situation also we can say be my guest.
Yes, Priyanka.
Can I use your pen? In this situation also we can say be my
Yes.
guest.
Yes. That is a more polite, more formal situation, ना? More polite, formal situation. अरे sorry, formal करे. More polite and nice, मतलब बहुत ही polite words है ये ना. Yes, be my guest. आपका ये casual conversation है. Okay. polite words है, you can use according to your situation, dear. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If someone is coming and say, could I get a glass of chill water? Could I get a glass of chill water? What would be your answer?
Okay.
Be my guest.
Yes, be my guest.
Yes, be
Yes,
my guest.
be my guest.
Yes, be my guest.
Okay,
Yes, be my guest.
Yes, yes.
right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Right.
Sure. So let's move to another situation here. And now, yes, कहते हैं ना? That is a more formal. Okay, that is a more formal situation. Okay, कहते नहीं किसी situation में is your final answer?
Yes.
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
No. Sometime in many situations, we senior person uses these words also, and other situation also we use.
For examiner.
Okay. So what would be answer? Yes.
Yes,
Only.
lock it.
Huh?
Lock it.
Okay.
लॉक कर दिया है.
Better version, affirmative. Yes.
Affirmative.
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 Yes,
Affirmative.
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 Yes. Affirmative. And nod your head. Nod your head. Yes. Yes. Affirmative. And nod your head. You show you are committed. यानी आपने whatever you give a reply, आप उसके साथ committed हो. You will never change your decision. Okay? Yes. Affirmative. I will never change my answer, decision. It is a more formal, dear. Okay? So,
Ma'am, you will share na PDF.
yes, Priyanka.
You will share na PDF.
Yes,
Will you
yes, dear. Yes. After the session, I'm going to send this PDF. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. Okay. So, I believe that your doubts are clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about yes? Means whenever we will use the word yes,
Yes.
we will use only affirmative.
Affirmative. Go. I'm giving you one situation, a common situation. That is, वैसे husband and wife are fighting with each other. तो husband कहता नहीं पूछता है last में, is your final decision?
Yes, affirmative.
Yes, affirmative.
Okay, whenever it will come final kind of decisions or answers.
Yes, yes.
And
I will
at that case, you will use yes.
इसे ladies
Okay,
बोलती है ना, I
affirmative.
will go for shopping. I will go for shopping. गलती से by mistake husband ने पूछ ही दिया, is your final decision? क्योंकि उन्हें पैसा
Yes,
देना है ना.
affirmative.
Yes, affirmative. Yes. हम मतलब not saying only yes. Yes, affirmative. अगर जिसे knowledge होगा, पता होगा affirmative what makes sense. Affirmative क्या, what does it mean affirmative? Yes, I will never change my decision. I will go, then I have to go for the shopping. Please give a credit card, money. Okay, so
Is it mandatory to including yes before affirmative?
you use
Only we can say directly affirmative.
yes, you can also use affirmative. Yes, affirmative. Okay. Is your final answer? Priyanka.
Affirmative.
Priyanka, you want to recording this session? You want to PDF this session?
Yes, affirmative.
Yes, affirmative.
Affirmative, ma'am.
Affirmative.
Yes, affirmative.
यानी आप इस डिसीजन को you will never change, मतलब आपको 100% है वो चाहिए तो चाहिए
चाहिए
recording.
ही चाहिए. Yes.
Okay. Now clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, affirmative.
Okay. Yes, yes, affirmative. Okay. Now, this
This
is
topic. I love to help others.
this is a what today what we learn.
I love to help others.
Yes, dear.
I
I
love
love
help.
to
Yes,
help
तुमने
others.
what? Yes, rose are the, yes, rose are that. One word is also it is a very good word. It is advanced. Okay, rose are that. Where we use rose are that? That is also casual conversation है ना? That हमने बोला casual conversation में हम बोलते हैं if someone is asking, are you agree with me? ये casual है. आप you can also use with your partner, with your friends circle. Yes, rose are that. Rose are that. अभी हम क्या use करते हैं? That makes sense. That makes sense. Also, you can use rose are that. Okay. And one, be my guest. Okay, very polite. You are dead right. You are dead right. What does it mean? Anyone? Viru, Sashi? You are dead right. What does it mean? Yani ki that means 100%
Absolutely right.
right. No doubt in this. Okay.
You're absolutely right.
You can also use this. You are dead right. Okay. And consider it done, ma'am. That is a formal way. 1,000 times yes. Which time you use this word?
Yes, considering it.
1,000 times yes. Yes?
You can count on me.
One word is very, it is a very nice. Totes. 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 It is also a very beautiful word. Totes means bindas. Bindas.
Okay.
बिंदास जैसे हम लोग फ्रेंड सर्किल में बोलते हैं, जैसे हमने बोला बी माई गेस्ट ना, अगर फ्रेंडली कन्वर्सेशन मुझे करना है, किसी ने पूछा मे आई यूज योर पेन, मे यूज योर एनीथिंग, मे यूज योर पेन, यस, टोट्स, यानी बिंदास. बिंदास आप यूज कर सकते हो, हम लोग बोलते हैं ना. यस. ओके. नाउ so are you all getting my point, everyone? So today we learn many more things, how to say yes in different situations. Okay, formal and casual way. Okay, dear. Now, this is your topic. I love to help others. I love to help others. Please write it down, your topic. I love to help others. Please. Now, I love to help others. This is your topic. And please make a small video on this topic by using at least 5 words. Okay, whatever today we learn, है ना? हम लोगों ने जो भी आज 8 words पढ़े, at least use 5 words and make your short video 2 or 3 minutes and send it to your fluency and grammar coach. Okay, dear?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And they will check. No, without any doubt and confusion. Okay, now tell me, how was the